So, may isi-share po tayo ngayon na earning platform na nai-release noong June 24, 2024 na kung saan pwede po tayong kumita dito ng extra income online, okay? So, ang pangalan po ng earning platform na ito ay Easy Agent Operation or EAO, okay? So, para po sa mga gustong kumita din po dito ay nasa description lamang po ng videong ito ang link. At if in case kailangan po ninyo ng assistance ay pwede din po ninyo akong i-contact sa aking Telegram account at Mernalyn94, alright? So, napakadali lang po guys mag-register dito. I-enter lamang po ninyo dito ang inyong phone number, password, confirm password, and ang ating invitation code na 3270917. Uulitin ko po, 3270917. And after that, click on submit, okay? So, after successful registration, may marireceive po kayong free 1,000 experience gold at magagamit po ninyo yan sa pag-buy ng product. But before po ninyo gamitin yan, ay kailangan po muna ninyong mag-buy ng product using your own fund or money, okay? So, may dalawa po silang offer dito, itong commodity list at itong shop list. Dito po sa commodity list ay daily po ang inyong magiging earnings dito. At dito naman po sa shop list ay lock-in po yan, meaning kailangan po ninyong antayin na matapos yung cycle days ng inyong investment bago po ninyo ma-withdraw ang inyong capital at earnings, okay? So, I advise you guys na dito po kayo sa commodity list mag-invest para daily ang inyong earnings at withdrawal, alright? So, ang pinaka-lowest na pwede po ninyong bilhin dito na product ay itong Christmas na worth 500 pesos na kung saan meron po kayong 55 pesos daily dividend, okay? Meron din po ditong toys, kids, and baby na worth 1,200 pesos na may daily dividend na 122.4 pesos. And ito din pong personal care na worth 2,500 pesos na may daily dividend or income na 260 pesos and so on. So pataas po yan, okay? So para makapag-buy ng product dito, kailangan muna ninyong mag-recharge sa inyong account. So, click on recharge. And ang minimum amount to recharge po dito guys ay 500 pesos. Okay? Choose recharge method kahit alin po dito since magkapareho lang po sila. And then confirm. So, recharge channels ay pwede po ninyong gamitin ang GCash or Maya. Okay? So, after mag-recharge, buy na po ninyo yung product na afford ninyo. And after that, scroll up. So, pwede na po ninyong bilhin itong EAO Experience product. So, dito na po ninyo makagamit yung free 1,000 pesos sign up reward. Alright? So, after investing, click po ninyo itong customer service. I-message po ninyo yung manager. Sabihin po ninyo na new member po kayo at nakapag-recharge at invest na po kayo para nga po maklaim po ninyo yung free 50 pesos bonus. Okay? Para naman po ma-maximize ninyo ang inyong earnings dito ay pwede po kayong mag-invite, click on invite, and i-copy po ninyo itong inyong invitation code or link, and i-share po ninyo yan sa inyong social media accounts or sa inyong mga friends, alright? So, meron din po silang task dito na kung saan makaka-receive po kayo ng free 15 pesos for inviting one friend to recharge, 5 pesos for inviting one friend to register, and 10 pesos for inviting one friend to invest. May 5 pesos hour din po dito for sharing to 3 friends on WhatsApp or Telegram. And 10 pesos award for downloading the application. Okay? Dito naman po sa member, ninyo makikita ang inyong team member, active member, commission wallet, and salary wallet. And andito naman po yung mga additional cash rewards for inviting. So, in order for you to receive a reward, kailangan po na ang inyong invite ay nakapag-recharge at invest ng more than 1,000 pesos. Okay? For VIP 1, kailangan mo po ng 3 team members to receive 200 pesos reward. For VIP 2, ay kailangan mo rin ng 8 members to receive 500 pesos reward. Sa VIP 3, 15 members for 1,500 pesos reward. VIP 4, 30 members to claim 5,000 pesos reward. VIP 5, 60 members for 10,000 pesos reward. And VIP 6 is 100 members to claim 30,000 reward naman po, okay? So, yan po ang magiging potential income po ninyo dito if papasukin po ninyo ang kanilang referral program, okay? Kada active member naman po ninyo ay magkakaroon po kayo ng free spins dito sa kanilang lottery, na kung saan pwede po kayong manalo dito ng 10 pesos up to 50,000 pesos. Ngayon, proceed naman po tayo sa withdrawal. Para po sa mga first timer, mag-bind po muna kayo ng inyong withdrawal account dito. So, pwede po kayong mag-withdraw gamit ang GCash or Maya. Then, after that, iset up po ninyo ang inyong withdrawal password dito sa settings. Click on Settings, Fund Security Password. I-enter dito ang gusto ninyong gamitin na password. Confirm password, then confirm. Then ngayon, click on Withdraw. So, ang minimum withdrawal po dito ay 200 pesos. At meron po silang withdrawal fee dito na 15%. At ang withdrawal time ay from Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And ang arrival time ay within 2 hours up to 72 hours depending on bank withdrawal speed, okay? Since ito po ay isang investment platform, please be wise in investing. Kung mag-investment po kayo ay gamitin lamang po ninyo dito ang inyong extra money. Risky po ang pag-i-invest online. Pwede kayong pumaldo at pwedeng hindi naman, okay? So that's all for today's video guys, and thank you very much for watching.